25 ways to make money as a coach. I'm Aisha Amatullah, coach, trainer, mentor, and life and business coach. In this video, I will share with you 25 ways to make money as a coach. And if you like this video, please give it a like. And if you want to learn more from me, please subscribe to my channel. Now, go grab your pen and paper and let me show you how to make money coaching. If you don't already know, the personal development industry is worth $9.9 billion and growing. Life coaching services are just one segment of the personal development industry and is worth $2.5 billion. The total market is forecast to grow at a 5.4% average annual pace. And coaches have the opportunity to get more of that $9.9 billion pie by adding one or more of these ways to make money. Idea number one, one-on-one coaching. Through one-on-one coaching, a coach meets with clients in person, online, using services such as Zoom, or even over the telephone. They usually meet with them once a week or bi-weekly. In one-on-one coaching sessions, coaches help clients with their goals or problems, assist them in getting over their roadblocks, and help them create a plan of action for each session. You can charge by the hour or through coaching packages. The average fee for one-on-one coaching services is $231 an hour. Idea number two, group coaching programs. Group coaching is one of the best ways to leverage your time and money as a coach. Instead of meeting with clients individually, you meet with them in group format. Group coaching is conducted with two or more people simultaneously. It's similar to one-on-one coaching, except it offers group support. In group coaching, you can help your clients set goals, get over roadblocks, and take action every session. Group coaching programs can run for 1 to 6 months or longer. They usually meet 1 to 4 times a month. Group coaching prices vary, but generally start at $400 a month per client. So if you have 10 group coaching clients, that will be $4,000 a month. Now, of course, you can charge much more for your group coaching. Idea number 3, motivational speaking. The motivational speaking industry is worth $1.9 billion. Market data analysts project that the professional speaking industry's value will grow at a 4.1% average annual pace, reaching $2.30 billion by 2025. The average motivational speaker makes $106,000 a year. Speaking fees depend on the speaker's experience and name recognition. Many speakers speak for free when starting and then charge about $3,500 per speech when they are more experienced. As a motivational speaker, you can host your own events and get paid to speak at other events. Idea number 4, host seminars. You can conduct seminars once a month, once a year, 4 times a year. It's up to you. Charge $100 to $1,000 and more for a seminar. You can have 1 to 3 day seminars. With seminars, your options are endless. Seminars should be powerful and get your clients transformational results. Idea number 5, host webinars. Make money training others on personal development and how to achieve success. Webinars are similar to seminars, except they are hosted online, and because of this, they are relatively less expensive. You can host live webinars, or you can record your webinars and sell the pre-recorded webinars. You can conduct live webinars once a week, once a month, once a year, 4 times a year. It's up to you. You can have 1 to 3 day webinars as well. Webinars sell for $100 to $1,000 and more. Idea number 6, online or offline workshops. The difference between a workshop and a seminar or a webinar is that seminars and webinars are more lecture driven, where workshops are very interactive and participants usually achieve a specific result at the end. So conduct workshops with a specific result in mind and charge $100 to $1,000 and more. Idea number 7, write personal development books. According to marketresearch.com, personal development books is an $800 million market that's growing 6% a year. Books are perfect products that will allow people to benefit from your expertise. Self-publishing has been easier. For example, Amazon has a great service called Amazon KDP. This service makes it easy to publish your book independently. You can also turn your book into Amazon Kindle or Barnes & Noble's Nook or a similar e-reader and sell it. You can also turn it into a PDF document and sell it straight from your website. People can download your books instantly and read them on their tablets, their PCs, cell phones, etc. The fastest way to get started is to author an anthology. Think of a theme, topic, and gather other coaches and experts together to write one chapter each. This is the quickest way to author your first book. Idea number 8, create personal development audiobooks. So according to the Audio Publishers Association in 2018, personal development and self-help audiobook revenue reached $769 million, growing 5.6% or more per year. Over 24 million Americans now listen to audiobooks, so turn your book into an audiobook. An audiobook is an audio recording of a book in an abridged form. So you can sell audiobooks independently on Amazon through Audible, Barnes & Nobles, and among many other marketplaces for books. Idea number 9, create an online course. The e-learning market was worth more than $200 billion in 2019 and is projected to be worth $325 billion by 2025. Online courses are the most popular and ideal passive income stream for coaches. How it works is you create courses that train others on how to achieve success in your area of expertise. For example, teach people how to discover their purpose in life, start a business, lose weight, live the life of their dreams, and more. With online courses, people get access instantly, and you can package your recordings and sell them from your website or get more eyes on it from platforms such as Udemy. Online course prices range from the low end at $27 or even $97 to thousands of dollars. Idea number 10, sell self-paced coaching programs. Self-paced coaching programs are another way to earn passive income as a coach. Self-paced coaching programs are for those who cannot afford your private coaching services, or for those who are not ready for that one-on-one interaction. The idea is to create and package a step-by-step signature coaching program in your niche that your clients can follow to get results. Self-paced coaching programs sell from $300 to $3,000 in the life coaching niches, and in the business coaching niches, they also sell from $1,000 to $10,000 and more. Idea number 11, corporate training services. Corporate training has become a $200 billion industry, and digital corporate training takes up more than half of this amount. As a coach, you can contract with companies and conduct corporate training programs and workshops. Typically, these programs are in person. However, amid COVID, online training has become much more popular. You can specialize in areas such as stress management, time management, mindfulness, emotional intelligence, customer service skills, health and wellness, leadership, management coaching, and more. In corporate training, you can charge per employee. For example, $150 per employee with a set minimum. Or you can also charge by the hour or a flat rate with an employee limit. Idea number 12, consulting services. Combine business coaching with business consulting. In coaching, the client is the expert. In consulting, you are the expert. Consulting is when you analyze and give expert advice, typically in a business environment. This idea is excellent for business coaches, combining coaching with consulting for maximum results. Coaches can provide hourly consulting or long-term consulting services. Idea number 13, mentorship. Start a mentorship program. Mentoring is a long-term relationship in which an experienced person helps guide a less experienced person in a specific area or of their life or career. Good examples of this are career mentors, leadership mentors, and youth mentors. Mentors work with participants one-on-one and in a group setting. Idea number 14, start a continuity coaching program. Continuity programs are great recurring revenue models. Provide coaching to hundreds of individuals for $99 a month or more on live calls. Here are two other types of continuity programs that are best for coaches. Idea number 15, a monthly membership program. With a monthly membership program, you will regularly provide new content to your members via a membership website. Members log in and access courses, audios, videos, checklists, ebooks, discussion forums, etc. To retain your members, it's a great idea to provide at least one piece of new content for your members monthly. Membership sites range from $29 a month to $99 a month. Idea number 16, fixed term membership. With a fixed term membership, you will provide new content weekly to your members for a fixed period of time. Once all of your modules are created, the model runs fairly seamlessly. If your topic isn't one that needs continual updating, you can create this once and resell this again and again. You'll keep your members only for a limited time, such as 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. Idea number 17, digital products. Now, before I continue, if you are enjoying these ways to make money as a coach, give the video a like, and if you want to continue learning from me, subscribe right now. Digital products are quick win, downloadable products. These are products that help your clients to achieve a very specific result fast. They are normally one size fits all. For example, downloadable coaching plans, health plans, life coach plans, business plans, etc. Digital products are normally in the lower end, like $19.99 per product, but are a great add-on to coaching revenue. Idea number 18, a YouTube content creator. If you love creating videos and sharing knowledge on personal and business development, then this idea is for you. You can start a YouTube channel that focuses on your area of coaching and earn money through ad revenue. If you are consistent and get a minimum of 1,000 subscribers with a minimum of 4,000 hours of watch time, YouTube will pay you to place ads on your videos from other advertisers. You can also make money through YouTube sponsorships. This is when companies pay you to promote their brand. And you can also make money through affiliate revenue. This is when you use your YouTube platform to recommend products and get paid a commission for each sale. This also works on other platforms such as TikTok. Income from content creation varies from a couple of $100s a month to thousands of dollars a month. Idea number 19, blogging. You can make money through blogging the same way you make it from YouTube. The difference is that YouTube consists of videos and, well, blogging consists of writing. Through blogs, you get paid ad revenue from ad companies to place ads on your blog. You can also get sponsorships and promote products for affiliate revenue. You can also use your YouTube or your blogging to promote your own products and services. Idea number 20, physical products. Coaches can sell physical products that complement or enhance their coaching. For example, journals, planners, motivational wall art, motivational mugs, motivational t-shirts, sportswear, etc. Idea number 21, create a coaching app. There is a long list of categories you can create an app for. For example, a goals and habits app, life planning app, affirmation app, offer coaching services through an app, or an app for your trainings and courses, etc. Apps are not as hard to make as they used to be. You can create your own app using companies such as AppyPie, if I'm saying that correctly. And you can go to websites like Upwork and hire a freelancer to create an app. All resources for everything I mentioned here will be in the description. The average price to charge users for an app is below $10 a month, but has tiers between $10 and $49.99 a month. Idea 22, retreats. I know that this is a little shaky due to COVID, but things are opening back up and people are getting back to their lives. Hosting retreats are so much fun and a great way to make money as a coach. You can host life coaching retreats, wellness retreats, business retreats, couple retreats, just to name a few. Retreat prices range from a couple of $100s per person to thousands. Idea number 23, virtual summit. A virtual summit is a series of live or pre-recorded videos held over the course of multiple days with multiple experts talking about a specific topic, generally in an interview format. The coach generally interviews the experts and charges attendees for access to the summit. Virtual summit prices vary and depend on what is being offered. On average, prices range from $47 to $197 per person, but can be much more. Idea number 24, not-for-profit coaching company. Start a not-for-profit coaching company by hiring several coaches to help take on clients with a disadvantage. Get paid through grant programs and donations. Before we get to the last one, I want to let you know that I am creating separate videos to elaborate on each of these ideas individually. Please let me know below which idea you want more information on in the comments. Idea number 25, train and certify coaches. Start your own coach training school. This is my favorite. Training other coaches are hands down the most lucrative way to make money as a coach. You can include it as a part of your coaching or offer it as a separate program. You can certify coaches in different specializations and charge hundreds to thousands of dollars for your training and certification program. I actually have a course that teaches you how to do this, so check this out in the description below. As you can see, there are many ways to make money as a coach. Combine 2 or more of these ideas and build yourself a coaching empire. To learn more on how to serve coaching clients at different levels and build a coaching empire, view the video links in the description and playlist. See you in the next video.